What's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are fitting some RimSavers alloy wheel protectors. And if you've been a long time viewer of the channel, you would have seen I could have used these a couple of times, especially on the BM. And funnily enough, I clipped my Audi the other day as well. So there's a little chunk missing out of that. So these have arrived probably about a week or two too late, but hey, that's my own fault. But yeah, let's have a look at what's actually in here. I'm sure everyone is kind of familiar with alloy wheel protectors. These guys are based locally, they're British, which is always a good thing, like to support the local guys. They do 10 different colors, or over 10, I think 12, from red, gray, white, black, purple, you name it. They got chrome ones, they got it. Goes all the way up to 22-inch alloys as well, which is huge. And if you've got 22s, trust me, you want to protect your alloys. But let's have a look at what is inside the box, and then we can go and fit it. So we got instructions, which again, if you're a long time viewer of the channel, usually these just get dashed in the bin and then I do something wrong, but we're turning over a new leaf. And yeah, we will actually read those to make sure I don't mess it up. So we've got some ultra lock super glue, which I imagine is for actually gluing these clips on where you join the two over. We've got some adhesive promoters. Again, it's going to help stick the product on. Cleaning wipes, which we'll definitely need because I haven't cleaned my car in ages. Plus, if it was cleaned, I probably would have used Tire Shine and I probably would have got the hydrophobic coating on there, which again will really just hamper the adhesive working basically, and obviously we want it to stick. Then we got 4 white rim protectors, and that is it. So, went for white because of the branding on the car, plus I really like the whole like tire branding stuff in white. So I think it's gonna match the theme. That is before we go and change it drastically, but again, it's easy enough to change, peel it off, put another one back on. But yeah, let's run outside and actually get this fitted. I'm excited. Protection, always use protection. Right then, let's get into this. First things first, let's clean it up. We've got Nala helping film, so excuse any guest appearances that she decides to make. All right, I'm just gonna go around here, give it a good clean. Trying to make sure I get all in there. Okay, so next thing. So the adhesive promoter, this is like a sponge, right? And it already has the adhesive promoter within the sponge, so you don't need to go over it, but you do need to leave it for like 5 minutes. So let's do this, just so it has time to set. Now let's make an appearance, I'm sure. So just rub this around here. Ooh, lovely stuff. Smells really, really strong. There you go. So I don't want to go over it any more than that because I'll just be absorbing it back into here. Maybe I'll just do a little bit by there because it's a bit dirty still. Now we wait for like 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's open up one of these. So this obviously has the peel away strip, and that'll go around the edge of the rim, and hopefully, like I said, don't do it wrong. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes, so let's put this on, see how it goes. So it's got like a little lip on it, not sure if you can see that. That's obviously the bit which goes up into there. So let's do this. You know, I'm just kind of feeding it along. I can feel that it's sticking, which is good. Just want to make sure I am getting it in the right place, obviously. Yeah, it's a really, 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 really nice, secure looking fit. Obviously want to make sure that it's right on the rim, because otherwise I'm going to have an unround looking wheel. As we get to the end, I'm just going to go up to there, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark that with a Stanley knife just by there. Let me actually just pick this up. I'm going to mark that with a Stanley knife there, And then I'm not going to cut it with a Stanley knife because I might cut my flipping tyre or the wheel. So then I'm going to cut it with some scissors, remove it, get the little clips here. So I picked up a wipe, get the little clip, super glue it on, and then that is one wheel done. I like it. I like it a lot. Decent, it's gonna look sick with the branding. Another little way of making your car stand out and protecting it at the same time. Like there was a little nick here that had been taken out from curb. Only a tiny, tiny one, but you can't see it anymore, can you? It's gone, and there's not gonna be any more of them. So anyway, let me get my Stanley knife and finish this one off. Oh, one thing I should say is I am kind of just going around it, because if I look this way, you can see where it's like lifted off a little bit, where I haven't stuck it in. So I'm just making sure it's all stuck down, just by here. Just rubbing my finger along it basically, and make sure that it is on securely. And another thing worth mentioning is any excess like cleaning wipe, or any excess adhesive primer I should say, can just be wiped off with the cleaning wipe, and then it's nice and clean then. Right, and now, last bit, grab our super glue and a little, it's quite cool these. Where are you? Not sure if that's in focus, but anyway, I'll get some close-ups in a sec. Put a little bit of glue in there, hopefully you can see. Just like that. Now hopefully coupling your fingers like I'm doing. God damn it. It's bound to happen. First one though, not bad, not bad. Probably is advisable to wear gloves, because now I've got dirt and super glue on my fingers. I don't know why I have a shower before I make these videos. Okay. Oh, it looks good. I like this, man. I like this a lot. So there we have it, guys. Buzzing with that, actually. I was always a bit unsure of seeing these at other people's cars, but the way that it's literally transformed the look of my car, buzzing. The quality is really good as well. Hands are a little bit dirty, but that's my own fault. Couple of things. Make sure you use my discount code CF10 if you are gonna buy a set. Links in the description. I can highly recommend it. They've got all different types and levels to the protection which they offer. And like I said, 10 plus different colors. Buzzing. If you like that video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, push the bell for notifications, go over to RimSavers, code CF10, get yourself some discount. Everyone loves a deal. I love a deal. Right, we'll catch you next week. Peace.